Guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick candle review. So this is kind of an impromptu video, so number one, apology, it's on my phone. I'm not 100% sure how the audio is going to be. I apologize if it's crappy. Disclosure number two, I actually lit this while I was getting ready today and last minute decided to do this video, so I have it in my little Bath & Body Works mermaid candle holder over here, but I did grab one of my backups so you could see the label. So today we are going to be talking about the Sonoma Brand Farmstand Ice Cream. I love these candles, you guys. These are available at Kohl's. Now, what I will say about the Kohl's candles is they are very similar in size to the Bath & Body Works. They are 3-wick. I'll show you the wicks here. So there's the candles. Really quick talking about the wicks while I'm showing you. These have very thick tree trunk wicks, which depending on the candle can result in a little bit of sooting. I don't tend to have a big issue once it's lit with sooting, and if I did, I would obviously blow it out and put it in my candle crock. But these wicks will not dud out. They stay very strong as far as flame goes the entire length of the candle. I'm gonna actually pan you up for just a second and show you the burn on this one. So this one's been lit for probably about an hour and a half or so, and you can see that it is just absolutely super strong. So let's talk a little bit about the pricing and availability. This particular scent right here, oh sorry, Jack is over here, look at this you guys. Jack is over here playing with a hanger. Disclosure on my door. We bought this house from people who had 2 dogs that they clearly locked in a room when they were gone. So we have not yet replaced this door, but that is why I have that thing hanging to take away from the ugliness of my door. Back to the candle. So these are available at Kohl's. This particular scent is a limited edition scent. Now, I saw these in my Kohl's store when I went probably about, I want to say maybe 3 weeks ago, and I bought all the ones that they had. I proceeded to go online to kohls.com to get more and found out that they don't even have them online. I believe that these were so popular, they sold out both locations, in-store and online, very quickly. So I'm not sure if they're going to restock these. I have no idea, but I did want to do a review for you guys just in case they do, because I feel like if they do bring it back, they're going to sell out very quickly. Farmstand Ice Cream and all the rest of the Sonoma 3-wick candles are 14-ounce candles, so just like Bath & Body Works. They are usually $19.99, I think. Yeah, $19.99, but Kohl's almost always has a sale on these so that they're $9.99, and then you can stack your 20 or 30% off coupons and use your Kohl's cash. So these, in my opinion, are much more affordable than Bath & Body Works, and honestly, as far as the strength and throw goes on these, I think these are almost better because they don't have the burn issues of Bath & Body Works. They don't have quite the variety, I would say, as Bath & Body, but right now, you guys, I'm kind of leaning away from Bath & Body, despite my hauls, which you guys see. Yeah, we'll get into that later. Anyway, the notes on Farmstand Ice Cream are creamy vanilla ice cream, hint of peach. So, I mean, I could actually kind of agree with that. It is a very rich, decadent, creamy ice cream note. Now, as far as it being straight vanilla, I don't feel like this is a typical, basic vanilla scent. This is a much more elevated and sophisticated vanilla. It has like I said, a rich decadence to it. I almost want to say that there's something else in it. Along the lines of like a buttercream scent. And then you do have a little bit of something slightly fruity. I guess I could say peach. Now, one thing I smell in here that I wish that they would put in the notes for you guys is if you look on the label, there's these beautiful waffle cone wafers here. This has a very strong waffle cone note in it. It just literally smells like ice cream. It is absolutely delicious. The strength on these, I would give this probably a solid 7 to 8 for strength. And the throw is actually really good as well. I would give it roughly about a 7 for throw. I can smell this thing in most of my, upstairs half, the left half of my upstairs where all the bedrooms are and stuff. And the only reason that I can't smell it in my main area right now is because I have another candle lit in there with a completely different scent. So I really like these candles, you guys. I have a lot of them, and I will be doing some reviews of the other ones that are still available for you guys, but I did want to, like I said, bring this one up because of the fact that it might come back. I don't know for sure, but this one is definitely a standout out of the spring and summer collection for me, at least. And I really hope Kohl's kind of opens their eyes and brings back this scent, just like the key lime pie that they brought out and then never brought back. They have so many good ones, and I feel like they discontinue them and never bring them back, and it's really frustrating to me. So, as far as the length of burn, I would say on these, I don't know if they actually tell you on the packaging how long it should burn for. I don't think it does, but I can say that this one right here that is currently burning, I have had it lit twice, probably for a total of maybe 9 hours, and it's not too much lower than the original candle, so you can kind of see it's just about to the label, maybe a touch below, for about 10 hours. So I mean, this is probably going to be about a 40-hour candle, roughly about the same as Bath & Body, I could assume. So I'm very, very pleased with my purchase. I would absolutely repurchase more of these. I do have a bunch of backups. Like I said, I did buy what my store had available before it got taken away. And yeah, that's pretty much my review. So I hope you guys enjoy these little quick reviews. It gives me, Jack, my goodness, it gives me something to kind of fill in my channel with on days that I don't have longer, bigger videos. So let me know if you guys do enjoy these reviews. Let me know if there are any specific candles you would like to see as far as, like, you know, past hauls that I've done. If you'd like to see reviews on any of those. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.